Hello everyone, so today we are playing Roblox. Now, I'm gonna give a little introduction to Roblox first, and then I've got a few other things to explain, and then we'll finally get on with the main topic of the video. So, today we are going to be playing Roblox. Now, Roblox is a game where people have created all different types of mini games. Well, they were a little bit bigger than mini games, but they are scripted to just little games that you can play. Well, there are probably big games on Roblox, but so now, for example, if I have Brookhaven and Adopt Me, they are not made by the same people, so it's all made by different other various people. Now, yes, not all made by Roblox. It's made by various people, various other people, and just different people for every game. You can make more than one game on Roblox, of course, otherwise it wouldn't be that fair. But I think usually most players only have one game that gets really popular, and then the other games aren't that popular because I guess they're not as well made. So, yeah. Anyways, the next thing I was going to talk about is that I think I actually mentioned that we're going to play Roblox in a video once. We're going to play it at some point, and I think I mentioned it in a video. I think I might know which one it is, but I'm going to put it as a card at the top right corner to send the video link of what video I mentioned we're going to play Roblox in. I can even put it in the description in the comment section. But anyways, now today we are going to show you how to add a display name, as you can see by the title. Now, this display name update, it hasn't been on Roblox for it hasn't been on Roblox for a long time. It only came out around 4 days ago. I actually wanted to make this video earlier, but I didn't get the idea till about today, so to show how to add a display name. So now that I think about it, I actually did want to create this video earlier when a few days or even the day it came out. But anyways, now, yeah, this display name update though was actually created in Germany first. It was an update that was released in Germany first. And 4 days ago, it released in the UK. Now, I think there were lots of people which were British or American that decided to cheat a little and get the display names early, or think that they wouldn't come out, so they try to get the display name anyway. They wanted to try their best to get it if they can't get it in the future. But I think everyone was surprised that the update came out a few days ago. So anyways, yeah, so I don't know if that many people were aware of the update, but I sure wasn't aware, so until one of my friends told me, but we're not going to talk about that yet. So anyways, how they got this display name early is they use a German VPN, or they changed their account settings to German, meaning that their account is German and they are German. So, and they were even trying to talk German, probably to trick Roblox into thinking that they were German, or maybe because they want to be a bit have a little bit of fun and talk German because they changed their account to German even though they aren't. But anyways, now I do have a different account than brand new account 4567. This is just the account for this video because I need to tell you something. Now the display name cannot be changed after 7 days, and I have already added a display name on my main channel, and I kind of wanted to show you like how to like edit your display name and add it, but I can't on my main channel, on my main account, because I might have to wait for 7 days in order to change it. So yeah, we're having to do it on like a new account that I'm not going to be using at all. Well, I will be using it for this video, but other videos I don't think I'll be using it on. Maybe I could use it for other videos, but I don't know. So anyways, that explains like the account, why this is kind of like a random like account name for a YouTuber. Anyways, now we are actually gonna get straight on with the main part of the video, where it's how to add a display name. So first you need to click on the cog at the top right corner. Next, click on the settings little button. Then, ta-da! You get display name : and then you'll have the same display name as your username at first. But that you want like a different display name than what your username is called, click the little pencil that is like writing on the sheet of paper. Then you can edit your display name. Now, kind of want to think of a cool display name that kind of matches with this sort of channel. Sorry to tell you about. Now, I think the amount of characters you can have for a display name is the same as the username, so don't worry, that isn't different. You can have the same like length as your username, as your display name, sort of like, you know. But anyway, so yeah. Now, what's a cool name for this channel as the display name? Now, another thing to tell you about is, don't worry. This is a bit different than the username because you can even have the display name as like a display name that's already been taken. It could be anything. Well, it can't be anything inappropriate still, but still. You could even like copy someone else's display name because it doesn't say the username is taken, so that's a good thing. So anyways, let's check over display name now. We are gonna call myself Chihuahua. I actually don't know. Let's call myself Chi. Let's just call myself. Shall I like do a little like, you know what about if we just do a random word, because we won't be using this account all the time, so we could just call myself like a random word. So let's call myself, let's actually go on, I have an idea actually. Let's go on to the random word generator to get a word that we can call myself. So the first one that comes up is a 1. Actually, I still want to do a random object generator. Random object generator. Because I thought that would be funny. I know it's not going to be exactly a name, but pack of cards, no. A screw. Oh my god. Let's actually call myself Screw. I mean, why not? Let's call myself Screw. Here we go. Screw. And if we refresh the page, I know you can't see that it's changed from here, but if you click on this, you'll go on to like your profile, like the front page of your profile that other people will see, and ta-da! You are called Screw, but then you've also got like your main username. So anyways, everyone, so we are finally like ending with this video. I know this video is quite long, but that's only because we were explaining a lot of things and that took a little while to do. So anyways, goodbye!